Alright guys, so I do have the key fob in my hand. If I lock the door, it will lock it, including the passenger side and also both rear. But if I insert the key and at least put it in lock, it's gonna unlock it. And try to lock it again, it's just gonna unlock that. But the passenger still locked in the rear. So I'm gonna try to lock it again with the key on the ignition. See what happened. It's just gonna unlock it by removing this, or maybe just insert it. Let's see what happened here. Oh, okay. So when you cycle the key on lock, it's just gonna unlock it. How about start it, then when you select the gear to drive, it should lock it, right? But it's not doing it. And if you unlock it again or lock it again, and it's just gonna unlock it. So what's going on, guys? Well, on my way in, I noticed one of my door still open. Maybe this door still open. But, oh, did I break it? No. No, I did not. Let's see. Let's close it. Oops. Close it hard. The indicator says one of our doors still open. Let's check this HR door right here. Oh, there you go. Now it's off. I'm gonna release the switch. So switch is working. Let's see if there's a damage here. Okay guys, so this door is all junked up. They put a little pad here to keep this pushed in, but of course over time this thing is just gonna wear out. I'm gonna find something I can put something here, and then let's go retest it again. All right guys, so I found this little guy. This pad is still sticky, so I'm just gonna go ahead and stick this there. There you go. Now let's close the door. All right, so first thing is the indicator is no longer on, and let's go ahead and press this lock button. There you have it. Yeah, that thing causing the door to unlock when the key is in the ignition. Pretty cool. Well, is that a fix? Well, let's see how the customer wanted to fix this. Well, to fix this properly is the door assembly. But for now, it's fixed. Let's see what customer wanted to do.
A few moments later.
So the customer doesn't want to spend money to fix this stuff. Well, I don't blame him. And he's pretty happy about my invention right here. So I just put like double-sided tape, and then I'm not gonna remove this because this one is pretty thick, you know. I'm kind of like afraid to remove it and then this thing's not gonna fix that. So we're just gonna keep that one, double-sided tape, and then we're just gonna stick it right there. All right, guys, so this one is ready to install. Here we go. Just gonna put it right there. It's pretty solid. Oh yeah, this one's not gonna come out. Cool. All right, let's do it. Okay. Close it. Key's still on the ignition. The engine's still not running, but it's on the accessory. Press locked. There you go. And let's start the engine. There we go. Start the engine. Okay, so I'm gonna unlock it. Let's see if by selecting the gear to drive, it will lock the door. There you go. It locked now. Put it back to park. Unlock back to drive. Lock. All right. Cool. All right, guys. Thank you.